Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this easy winter nail art. This is called sweater design or knitted nails, and I have used Born Pretty polish and Born Pretty matte top coat to create this design. So without any delay, let's get started. So guys, the polish I have used is Flora Bloom, and I have already reviewed this polish on my channel, and I have also used their matte top coat, and the review is available on my channel. So first I'm going to prepare my nail tip by applying 2 coats of Flora Bloom. And I'm going to cure for 60 seconds between each coat, and after 2 coats I'm going to apply one thin layer of their matte top coat. And after curing for 60 seconds, my nail tip is ready for the design. So let's get started with the design now. I'm using a toothpick and a fine brush to create the design. So first I will take a drop of Flora Bloom on a palette. With the help of the brush, I am making 2 vertical lines and dividing my nail into 3 parts. The center part will be wider than the side parts. And now with the help of toothpick, I will make 2 rows of dots side by side. And now with the help of a brush, I will drag these dots and try to make leaf pattern which is similar to the knitting pattern. And I haven't cured my nail yet, so if I make any mistake I can just remove the polish and can start all over again. So here I'm just trying to correct the pattern as much as possible, and now I'm going to make one more line on the side of the nail. Now to fill up the gap on the sides, I am just making a zigzag pattern with the polish. So guys, once you are happy with your design, you can go ahead and cure it. I cured my nail for full 1 minute. And once it was cured fully, I decided to go over it once more. This will help to give it more raised effect or textured effect, and the design looks more authentic and sweater like. And once you finished doing the second layer, you will cure it for 1 minute or 2 minutes depending on your lamp. And this is the final result. Do not apply any kind of top coat. Just wipe it with alcohol wipe to remove any kind of stickiness, and your design is ready. So guys, let me know if you like this design and would you like to recreate it. If you do so, then don't forget to tag me in your recreations at @StyleThoseNails on Instagram. And if you are interested in purchasing these polishes, then you can check the links of these items in the description box below, and also you can find the link of all my social handles in the description box below. So guys, that's it. Take care, and I will be back with a new tutorial very soon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go from here. Bye bye.